Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. My name is Hannah, and I'm making old recipes from little recipe tins that my mom found in estate sales. They are definitely grandma's recipes, but I don't know whose grandma. Some of them are gonna be good, some of them are gonna be very weird. And that's the fun. That's why you're here. Today, we're making our first salty recipe. If you know anything about me, which some of you probably know nothing about me, my favorite food of all time is popcorn. I freaking love popcorn. Popcorn is just like, obviously you can't have a movie without popcorn, but I truly can't have a week without popcorn. I need popcorn constantly. I just love it. When I'm sad, when I'm happy, popcorn, popcorn, popcorn. So obviously, when I saw that grandma had a popcorn recipe, I said, I am making that immediately. Today we're making dressed up popcorn. So this is from a newspaper. I've mentioned in earlier episodes that sometimes people would save stuff from magazines or newspapers because that's how information was spread. You can't just go online and look everything up. You go through your newspaper and you go, oh my God, look, dressed up popcorn, that looks good. Cut it out, make it. If you like it, you put it in your recipe tin. So let's find out if this is good. You know what's in this? Well, first, your popcorn. Second, potato sticks. I had to find these. If you're looking for them, World Market. I feel like that's in most places. Worcestershire sauce, dillweed, onion powder, mixed nuts. This is a kind of snack where you'd invite someone over and you'd like have cocktails and you'd have mixed nuts, but you wouldn't just buy them from the store, you'd have to make them at home. That's this. That's what we're making. I've never made a snack for myself that I wouldn't just consume immediately. This seems like there's enough there where you could save it for a couple of days in an airtight container. That's exciting. Make your snacks for not just right now, but for tomorrow. What? I never would think to save my popcorn, let alone put popcorn in the oven. Okay, so you guys, let's make some dressed up popcorn just like Grandma used to make. First, we're gonna make our popcorn. So turn your heat to medium, put in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil because it makes it fluffier, and then put in 3 kernels. When those pop, add 3 tablespoons of kernels. Cover that and wait for it to slow 3 to 5 seconds between pops. Next, you'll add 1 cup of salted mixed nuts, 1 1/3 cups of canned potato sticks, and go ahead and mix that up. So the next part is a little much. You're gonna add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce to a 1/2 cup of melted butter. Yes, a 1/2 cup of melted butter, which is a lot of butter. And you're gonna mix that up, and you know what? You're gonna realize way too much butter. Look at how much butter's at the bottom. So I added another 4 cups of popcorn. That's how much butter there was. And then I added a 1/3 cup of each of the mixed nuts and the potato sticks and mixed that up. For the seasoning, you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, 1 teaspoon of dried whole dillweed, and you're gonna mix that up. And then you're gonna slowly sprinkle it over your mixture gradually because you want them all to be covered evenly. Lastly, you will set your oven to 350, put it on a baking sheet, spread it out evenly, and let it sit in there for 6 to 8 minutes. It smells incredible in my house right now. It smells like dill. I don't know, it just smells really good. Let's try this. Wow. Wow. Yum. That is so good. I've heard about putting dill in your popcorn, but who would have thought to put popcorn with potato sticks and nuts? My puppy wants some. I mean, my puppy wants everything, so. So I didn't add salt to mine because these potato sticks were so salty and the mixed nuts were really salty, so I was like, because they're all gonna get wet, it's probably just gonna add salt to everything. It could use a little bit more salt. As I mentioned, it does need more popcorn and nuts and the potato sticks because it was so much butter. Oh my God. My pan even has remnants of the butter. So I think it worked out great with the adjustment that I made. I also want to note, you could definitely use less butter, but I already put all the butter in. So I had to improvise. You could probably half the amount of butter you put on there, honestly. It's a lot of butter. Or you can do what I did and just add more stuff, because why not make more snack? You gotta try this. Grandma, I get it. I'd add this to my recipe tin. I actually would. Because normally when I'm watching a movie, it's just popcorn. But I'd add all of it. I mean, I'm gonna have to because this thing is freaking massive. It didn't even look like I used any of it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching again. If you like this video, if you like my channel, please like and subscribe below. I would love to have you along for the journey. I'm not just gonna be making desserts, I'm gonna be making snacks, I'm gonna be making meals, I'm gonna be making it all. I'd like to know, has anyone put dill in their popcorn? Has anyone tried anything like this? Worcestershire sauce in your popcorn? Have you? Have you? It's like gourmet popcorn right here. Try it at home. Let me know how you like it. I really hope it inspires you to do something fun with your popcorn. And I hope it inspires you to pop your popcorn over the stove and not in the microwave. I love you guys. Happy New Year. There's some more salty, strange things coming up, and I hope to see you there. So I'll see you guys next time.